the Heiken Ashi Real Indicator, which is available for various platforms on the Tradingfinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts displaying red and white lines on the price chart. The Heiken Ashi Real Indicator is an advanced and developed version of the Heiken Ashi Indicator, which displays a red line by connecting the open points of Heiken Ashi candles and marks the white lines by connecting the close points of Heiken Ashi candles. Here I am going to change the color of the Heiken Ashi candle closes to a distinct blue hue, which then becomes clearly and easily visible for us to observe right here on the chart. When the blue line, which represents the closing points of the Heiken Ashi candles, is above the red line, which represents the opening points of the Heiken Ashi candles, it indicates an uptrend in the market. Conversely, when the blue line is below the red line, it signals a downtrend. Using this indicator, we can identify bullish and bearish trends in the market, recognize trading opportunities, and enter buy or sell trades accordingly. This indicator does not have any settings, and we can only change the color of the Heiken Ashi candle opening points and closing points to our preferred colors in the Colors section, as well as adjust the thickness of the displayed lines. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.